Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix printer sharing error 0x0000011b in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your shared printer is not working or Windows cannot connect to the printer, then this video will help you solve the problem step by step. First, click on the Start menu and type gpedit.msc. When Edit Group Policy appears, click on it to open the Group Policy Editor. After opening Group Policy Editor, go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Printers. On the right side, double-click on Configure RPC Connection Settings. Select Enabled. Under Options, select RPC over named pipes from the drop-down menu. Then click Apply and OK. Now scroll down and double-click on Print Browsing. Select Enabled. Then click Apply and OK. Now close the Group Policy Editor. Next step, click on Start menu and type Services. Open the Services window and find Print Spooler. Right-click on Print Spooler and click Restart. After restarting the Print Spooler service, try connecting your shared printer again. Your printer sharing error 0x0000011b should now be fixed. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching.